filming has gotten me to nighttime and I'm struggling with lighting. Suddenly everything is not just going well. Oh gosh. And I'm like beginning to sweat. Let's find out together. I think this is from, oh my goodness, what month is this? I thought I was going to find out. So the boxes that I'm actually expecting is from August, September, October, November, December. But definitely September is not there. So I believe this is August. This should be August. And this is Blushing Berries eyeshadow from Dose of Color. I would love to try that. You guys, you know what is coming next, because I also have a bunch of other products. I feel like now I actually need to organize. And look at that. Okay, so that was the first item. And I have this iconic Prep Set Glow Spray. Look at that. So that's the next. So this is iconic lipstick, iconic London lipstick. I don't know what shade this is. I'll find out sometime soon. It's a gloss. Also, I have a mellow tinted brow gel and a black eyeliner. This one's, I mean, I get good use to for this one. So I'm trying to figure out which box this is, but it looks like October last year, and what a coincidence, I'm also unboxing this in October. Anyway, so that's on the side. Let's open the other box. So if that's October, let's find out what this baby is. Okay, so I think I know what this is. This is August, cause let's find out what we've got here. Okay, so this also features a lip pencil. I actually love lip pencil. Shadows from Ace Beauty. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, translucent and luminous. So, and okay, so this is what this one looks like. I really want to see what she looks like. The good thing is that there's always something for skincare, and I'm all about skincare right now. And this is from Wonder Beauty. This is illuminating, a glow hairhead illuminating face oil. Okay, so we have two eyeshadow pots and this Steve Laurent lip liner. And I have something here from Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. Oh, I get powder also. So another thing with Boxycharm is that they are trying to introduce complexion products, which is foundation concealer powder that would actually match this powder. Let me see what she looks like. Oh wow, this looks like my shade, and this came last year. Ooh, I guess maybe is it a translucent powder? I don't think so. Oh, it says golden bronze. So I guess I got this based on my beauty quiz, because you also get to do a beauty quiz and you sort of like list your complexion or certain things about your shade. I'm kind of excited about this. So that's it for that box. Toss to the side. Excited about the next one. I already opened that as well. Let's find out. This box looks different and bigger. So, oh, this is definitely November, because I noticed from November things kind of took off for Boxycharm, because this was when there was the increase with Boxycharm base box. And yes, so this was when we got our swatches to start trying out complexion products. I can't believe I'm just getting mine, honestly. Anyways, I'm excited, you guys can tell. Okay, so what do we have here? You can see this is the information for all the details for this product right here. And here, yes, so this was the brush. These brushes, guys, look exclusive for Boxycharm. Yeah, so this is a good powder brush. I love big brushes like this. It looks weird, but it is what it is. I'm excited to try this. Yes, and this was my choice, so I picked this for choice. I can remember last year. This is an antioxidant serum by Caprice. Yeah, and this is what she looks like. Also, I have a Becca Shimmer Skin Perfector Press Champagne Pop. I kind of want to see what this looks like. Let's find out. Okay. Oh, something has happened. Let me be careful. It looks like I've got it. Oh, came smashed. But this is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So this is what the eyeshadows look like in there. Vita mask. So I got this sheet mask. This is for morning and this is for evening. So I think that's about it in this box. Okay, so in this box I got the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial eyeshadow palette, which retails for $35. The Caprice Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, which retails for $90. And Becca Shimmer Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter for $38. Vita Mask Morning and Evening Sheets IMAX set for $12. And the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set for $35. I need to total this. So now, without further ado, let's go to my BOXYLUXE. So just like the rest, it also comes with all the necessary information. It's quite heavy, so I'm gonna drop it and pick the items from the side. Here, I have this item here from cosmetics. Let's find out. Oh, it's a beauty roller, guys. A beauty roller. So it's a beauty roller. So, ooh, I don't mind popping this in the fridge right now because, ooh, so cooling, guys. This came really handy. Lip gloss from Too Faced and it's a high shine lip gloss. Baby, I'm into lip gloss lately and look at that. So chic. Ooh, also I have this honestly I don't know this brand, I don't know the cosmetics, and this is a Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. And oh, this looks nice. I feel like this is some natural care products, which I don't mind. Also got this from Kat Von D. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. Can't wait to try, baby. And Theatre London Marbled Light Blush. Oh, okay, let me see. This kind of like the Laura Geller. I want to believe this would, so look at that. Yeah, so this is like the Laura Geller Marbled Blush that I have. And this is another skincare product. Also, this is a skincare product. This is a skincare product. So this is Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Let me see what she looks like. Okay, so this is a moisturizer. And I got myself a nice head wrap from Daily Concept Daily Hair Wrap Towel. And I have a cleanser. And look at this cleanser. So I need to check. So look at this cleanser. It's a full size. Oops. This is 5 ounce, 150 ml cleanser. I can't wait to try this, baby. And the last item is this eyeshadow palette here. It kind of looks like a book from the Storybook Cosmetics. Looks like a book, but nope. She is an eyeshadow. I'm actually excited with this box. This actually featured 9 items. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The eyeliner. I feel like let me just open you up. Oh, so cute. So we have 8 and 9. That's the end of the unboxing, and honestly, it's worth it. This is definitely not a paid ad. If it was, I would even be happier. Duh. I would definitely be happier, but it is not. It's just me expressing my excitement for these babies right here. You guys need to like see right now, my box is full, and you know what's coming next. You know, you can guess it. So now we need to get organizing. If you need more information about Boxycharm, kindly let me know. I will be putting all that information out there. All right guys, this definitely brings me to the end of this video. If you made it to the end, definitely you enjoyed this video. Kindly give me a like and give me a comment. You can share this video with someone that really needs to see it. And thank you for sticking around with me to the end. I will see you on the next one. Bye.